Hi everyone! Today I am joined by my siblings, which are not here because they had to do something, but then they will be here in the next clip. So in this video, we are going to be making slime. Ingredients, we will be needing glue, which we will using vinyl, some containers, food coloring, and activators, which I'm be using gum. So let's get on with it. Okay, so we already added glue and activator to Kaylin's and also JoJo's. Now we're gonna do mine. Okay, first add in the glue. Put the glue in the container. Okay, and then we need some activator, which is, I'm using gum. Okay, now, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's mix. No, take that first. Wow. Wasn't you? Do you need to add more to yours? No, no. Why would we use spoons? Okay, I think, yeah. I think we need more for yours and Kaylin. Of course, it's slime. It's like peeing. Come on, Kaylin. Mix it. Come on. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's how you get slimy consistency.
That's sticky.
Okay, let's just add food colorings to yours first. Here's your orange. How much drops do you want?
2, 5.
1, 2, 3. Just do 3. Okay, now we're moving on to Kaylin's. Or you want to do it yourselves? It's so orange. You like orange, don't you? Oh my god. Okay, good. Just, I'll take blue. Then why did you want orange in the first place?
Now it's my second, okay?
Okay.
Oh, yeah! This yellow and orange.
Of course, you guys are matching.
Oh!
Whoa. If you guys already like get the slimy consistency and it's already like sticking on a ball, you can hold it. No. Maybe you need more gum, Kaylin. I'm just gonna mix the color first. Kaylin. Here, let me help you.
Mine is so bad. Where's you? What happened to yours?
Mine is there. It's already in the table. Okay, Kaylin's is working.
Mine. I haven't even took it out.
Wait. Okay, Kaylin, you can hold it.
Yay! Are you sure you can hold it?
I already can hold mine.
Can I?
Wait. Yeah, sure. Try.
This is hard. Yeah!
It's slime, Jojo. Yeah, you can touch it.
Ready?
Oh my god, it's so like... Can you cut it off? No,
Ah! It's in my head. Ah! You made me one first.
it's fine.
Let me do it. Yes.
I got some orange and yellow in my hand.
This is so bad.
Mine is good. Keelan's is drippy.
Mine needs more activator.
No, it doesn't. Wait, let me touch. It's fine.
Okay, give it to me then.
You like
Oh. No, my hands. Look at my hands. Look at my beautiful hands.
Mine is also ruined because of yours and Keelan's, but it's fine. It's for the slime.
Ow, it's not stretchy anyways.
It's fine. At least we made slime.
Slime was
You wanna? I'm gonna try yours.
Ow.
Mine is so small. Jojo's has like the. I think Keelan has the most, maybe.
Yeah, I don't have the most. Because of the glue, Gigi. Glue. Ah!
Jojo. I thought someone farted.
Why don't you
You
fart?
farted.
Fart.
Just like Jojo.
Fart.
Okay, guys. This is Keelan's. Keelan, can you show it to them? Ooh.
What the frick is?
Okay, Jojo, show them your slime. And then you do this, Jojo. You just crunch it. It's okay. You crunch it and then
I thought it was fell.
Just like mine is so small. Look at it.
Wow.
But I like the ocean. It looks like the ocean. The color of the ocean.
Did you look at my? It's like water. You melted.
I think Keelan, you can do this. So if you can prank mommy like this. Mommy, I have fingers. I
Now
Okay.
I can play with my slime. This is a heart. A big heart. A small heart. Now my slime don't.
What do you think of your slime, Keelan?
My slime? Whoa.
You can keep it.
It's too mine. It's too small.
Jojo, what do you say about your slime? What does it look like?
Just now it was bad. Now it's good.
Seriously.
It's orange.
So, what do you like the most of making the slime?
It's not sticky anymore.
No. What do you like the most of this process of making slime?
Food coloring.
Okay, he likes the food coloring. Keelan, what do you like? Glue, food coloring, or activator? Or slime? I mean, no, not slime, because you make. Keelan?
What?
Glue, food coloring, or activator?
Activator.
He likes the part when we put the activator. I like the part when we put the food coloring, same as Jojo. Because it's like so beautiful.
Very beautiful.
It's like Keelan's like the sun, I'm the sea, and Jojo's fire.
Fire.
The three elements, I think.
You're like a water. That water is an element, not an ocean, today. That's sun.
Yeah, water. This
sun
is.
is the elemental.
I don't think so.
I don't know.
Just say this is earth. This is water. This is fire. It's just like the meme in TikTok. If we have watermelon, we should have fire melon, earth melon, and the other melon. I forgot what it is. And they call it the element melons. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.
Slide
You're supposed to say bye.
Bye.